In this video, we are going to discuss about regression analysis. Regression analysis is a statistical method for modeling the relationship between dependent variable and independent variable to identify patterns. So, for example, in this question, the date and the price and the production, you find that the price depends on the time and also the production. So, once you identify the pattern now, you can use for prediction and business decision making. So, question 22, business data analytics, April 2023. Now, the question says, you work as the management accountant for Majani Limited, which deals in tea production and export. Before embarking on next year's budgeting, you are tasked with analyzing past revenue and price trends. As a starting point, your supervisor has provided you with historical price and production data as shown in the worksheet. So we have the date, the production, and price. You can see. Then now question A says, plot a line graph for price against time stroke date. Insert a linear trend line displaying the equation and R squared. On the chart, briefly discuss your result. So you can now plot a graph between the date, highlight the date. This is a bit long, so you can highlight again. It's up to there. Then also highlight the price. Then for you to plot a graph, you come here, insert, recommended charts, then you want a line graph. So this cut up, now this is a line graph, put there. Now like that, you can drag up to there. So I want to add the trend line. So for you to add the trend line, you come here, that positive, and then you tick the trend line. Now you can see there's a line. That's the trend line. Then the equation and the R squared, you right click the trend line. Then you come here, format trend line. Down there, you can see now it is display equation and R squared. Equation and R squared. So that's the equation and the R squared. You can put up here. Then now the discussion, now we can discuss the result here. Results. Now we say the R squared. Start with the R squared. R squared is 0.4133. 0.4133. Now the conclusion is this is a poor model. Because now this one 0.413, now in percentage form that will be 41.33%. So meaning because 41.33%. Now this means because the model explains 41 41.33 variation, because it explains 41.33 variation of the variations, and the remaining now, which is 50, how much, 58.67% is explained by other factors. It's explained by other factors other than this model. So we can't use to make a decision on this model or feature prediction, because a very good model ranges about 75%, and a good model, a satisfactory model, that is 60%, and also a good model should be above 50%. Then the equation now, y, for the equation y equals to 0.0287 x minus 953.18 9553.18 is, so we can say there is a positive correlation between the variables. That is y, which is the dependent, the price, and x, which is the time. Now that's the end. Thank you. Please subscribe for more videos.